So right beside me is the foundation of an old barn. There was a barn here, it's part of Cochrane's heritage, but the foundation was crumbling, the barn was sinking, and they decided to rebuild and make a better foundation just over this way. And as you can see, they actually made the building better. It's going to be taller than it was before. A reading for the book of Exodus, chapter 5. After this, Moses and Aaron came to Pharaoh and said, "These are the words of the Lord, the God of Israel. Let my people go so that they may keep my pilgrim feast in the wilderness." "Who is the Lord?" asked Pharaoh, "that I should obey him and let Israel go? I care nothing for the Lord, and I tell you, I will not let Israel go." They replied, "It has happened that the God of the Hebrews met us. So let us go 3 days' journey into the wilderness and offer a sacrifice to the Lord our God, or else he will attack us with pestilence and a sword." But the king of Egypt said, "Moses and Aaron, what do you mean by distracting the people from their work? Back to your labors. Your people already outnumber the native Egyptians, yet you would have them stop working?" That very day, Pharaoh ordered that the people's overseers and their foremen not supply the people with the straw used in making bricks, as they had done hitherto. "Let them go and collect their own straw, but see that they produce the same tally of bricks as before. On no account reduce it. They are a lazy people, and that is why they're clamoring to go and offer sacrifice to their God. Keep the men hard at their work. Let them attend to that and take no notice of a pack of lies." The overseers and foremen went out and said to the people, "Pharaoh's orders are that no more straw is to be supplied. Go and get it for yourselves wherever you can find it, but there will be no reduction in your daily task." So the people scattered all over Egypt to gather stubble for straw, while the overseers kept urging them on, bidding them to complete day after day the same quantity as when the straw was supplied. Then the Israel foremen were flogged because they were held responsible by Pharaoh's overseers, who asked them, "Why did you not complete the usual number of bricks today or yesterday?" So the foremen came and appealed to Pharaoh, "Why do you treat your servants like this?" They said, "We are given no straw, yet they kept telling us to make bricks. Here we are being flogged, but it is your people's fault." But Pharaoh replied, "You are lazy, you are lazy. That is why you talk about going to offer sacrifice to the Lord. Now go, get on with your work. You will be given no straw, but you must produce the same tally of bricks." When they were told that they must not let the daily tally of bricks fall short, the Israelite foremen saw that they were in trouble. As they came out from Pharaoh's presence, they found Moses and Aaron waiting to meet them and said, "May this bring the Lord's judgment down upon you. You have made us stink in the nostrils of Pharaoh and his subjects. You have put a sword in their hands to kill us." We can wonder to ourselves why it was that God allowed the situation for the Israelites in Egypt to get so much worse before it got better. And maybe the reason is this. Sometimes when we're in a bad situation, we can become used to that situation. It can become normal for us. And as long as we can put up with it, we'll endure it. But when the situation becomes so bad that we can't put up with it anymore, that's when we realize we need a change. And I think this was perhaps a situation for the Israelites in Egypt. They'd been slaves. It wasn't great to live like this, but they'd managed to live like this for a while. So God had to allow the situation to become really bad before they themselves would desire the change that God wanted to give them, the better change, the change for the better. And so today, that's why the symbol that we have is the brick, because Israelites were asked to make bricks, and this was the difficulty they had in making bricks, was the way that God allowed the situation to get worse before he could actually make it get better.